Wisteria Codex captivates with its innovative fusion of traditional calligraphy and organic growth patterns, transforming kanji characters into living art. This experimental piece showcases lavender-hued vines emerging from the characters, blossoming into edible flower arrangements. The creation process involves an advanced AI workflow, leveraging Midjourney's prompt engineering combined with frame interpolation to achieve seamless growth animations. This artistic endeavor not only pushes the boundaries of digital art, but also invites viewers to experience the beauty of nature and language intertwined, offering a unique visual and sensory feast.